Welcome to Google My Business Problems. I'm your host, Brooke Borup with My Clone Solution, and today we are talking PR. Christina Daves is here from PR for Anyone, and we are going to be talking about how you can get your business covered in the media. So, Christina, what's your tip for us today?
All right, the easiest way to get national media coverage, and pause, even if you're a local business, you're going to think, well, why would I want national coverage? You want national coverage because you're going to get SEO from that. You're going to ride their coattails and you're going to get a ton of credibility. Whether that gives you customers per se from that article or coverage, it will get you customers from what you do with that. When your potential customers or clients see that you've been in the Wall Street Journal or Huffington Post or Forbes. So I want everyone to sign up for Help a Reporter Out. And it's helpareporter.com. And you're going to sign up. It's completely free. And 3 times a day, you are going to get the most monotonous email you have ever seen. I'm telling you this. It's just a list of blah. It is so worth 5 minutes a day to go through that. I have personally been in over 1,000 media outlets. I would say 90% of that comes from responding to HARO queries. I've been on the Steve Harvey Show. I've been on Dr. Oz. I've been in Forbes twice, Entrepreneur, Smart CEO. I could go on and on. It just works. My clients use it every single day. They're in national newspapers, magazines. So there's nowhere else where A, you're going to get that coverage with that many people, but B, to get that credibility with your local business. And if you're a national business, well, then even better, because it works. But helpareporter.com, sign up, invest the time to do it, to go through it. It is absolutely worth your time to get covered in all of these national media outlets.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Christina. And for those of you who have an assistant, for those of you who have a virtual assistant, you know what your keywords are. They know your business that just like you do. They can take that time and they can go through those emails as long as you're the one that actually sends in the information. So thank you so much, Christina, for being here and for watching another episode of Google My Business Problems. Christina's information is in the blog post, in the post, or on the next slide. We'll look forward to seeing you next week.